Let's talk about a few of those dreaded 3 and 4 footers. I think one of the most fundamental problems that we have with these short putts is quite simply the way we practice. I think back to my mentor and Harvey Penick talking about how he loved to see the way Ben Crenshaw practiced putting. Ben always went to the green with one ball. He rolled that ball and chased it around the green and one ball over and over practicing putts. When we see a lot of players practice, they go to the green with 2, 3, 4 balls. They set them down, and to hit short putts, they simply just roll another one over. They'll hit the same putt over and over and over and not actually allow you to learn how to read and use your routine to hit those putts. So let's talk a little bit about a drill that I've nicknamed the compass drill. And the reason for the compass drill's name is I simply use the 8 points on the compass: north, south, east, west, northeast, southwest, southeast, northwest. As you go through those 8 points, you're always going to go to an opposite side. Now, many teachers you may have heard talk about the circle drill, going around the hole. I personally don't like the circle drill because once you start up a break line, every putt goes right to left to the apex of that break, and then when you round the corner coming back down to your start point, all the putts would then go left to right. The beauty of the compass drill is you're always putting an opposite putt after the first one that you make. The objective of this drill is for it to only be 8 putts. We're going to hit putts from 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, kind of whatever you want to work on, but our main objective is simply make the first putt, move to the opposite side. Now, to demonstrate how this drill actually works, I want you to take your coin. I want a coin in your pocket so that you can go in, mark your ball, step back, read your putt, and then as you're reading your putt, you come back in. If you use the line on your ball, line the ball up, step back, you've got the putt ready, you walk in with your routine, you take your practice strokes, you step up to the putt, and you make it. If you make the putt, the next step to the drill is simply to go to the opposite side. If I started at north, I'm going to south. I'll put my ball about the same distance. We're working about 3 feet from the hole here. I'll mark my ball, line it up, step back, walk into the putt, take my practice swing, step in, and I make another one. If I were to have missed that putt, I simply repeat the process. If I'd missed it, I'd put the ball back down, mark it, go through that routine again. You don't have to start the drill over if you miss. If you miss a putt, you simply go back and make that one. Once I've gone north and south and made both of those putts, I then move to east, then to west, and then I go northeast, southwest, and so forth. So taking 8 putts can really make a difference in how you practice those putts. I think back many years ago and watching different players on tour practice, and you see so many times they'll take a sleeve of balls, they hit the same putt over and over, and then they go to the first hole, they mark the ball, they go through a routine, they read it, and then they miss it, and they may have made 30, 40, 50 putts in a row on the putting green, but they haven't practiced the routine, they haven't practiced reading the putt. I think a real secret to being a great short putter is to practice the way you want to practice and play on the golf course. So the compass drill should really help you learn to be a much better short putter, helps you develop your routine, gets that consistency you're looking for.